Hi, how are you? It's Ching, and we are going into the fortified energy, which is fortified Qi, part 3. So if you're just new to this video, and you're very welcome, and don't be scared. And the part 3, I will put part 1, and actually I will put part 2, and the full fortified Qigong, how I did it outdoors, had a little more space for you to see the final picture at the end screen. Okay, so you can pick it up. There's a lot of video I have uploaded already, so go to my list and try to find things that I'm talking about today. Now you say, what is she talking about, right? So hopefully you can do some research on all the lists I have and help you to pick up all the missing fundamental before you want to exercise. Okay. Fortified energy is the third set of the contemporary Qigong developed by me. I already taught the first set, and the second set, which the first set is kind of warm up the spine, get the right breathing involved and the rooting, right? Those are three fundamental when you come to Qigong. And so we call it spiral breath, right? The most important thing. And draw from the yin yang symbol, okay? So it's all in my book, and my book is out already, but I'm not gonna give you too much information until I can hold my book and do a final check. So it's pre-order right now, and I will talk about next video, okay? The one yin yang symbol, it covers three things: breathing, nutrition, because in the round that's me moving, just like the bicycle, or you're walking, you push down this one side up, and you keep going, you get the bicycle moving, right? Same thing to walking, the yang and the yin and yang constant changes, so there's movement happen, there's a flow happen. Okay. So as I said, it covers with teaching how to cultivate good energy, right? Through breath work, through nutrition, through exercise. The fortified Qigong part 3 we're going to do today is getting harder and build up more vibrant energy after the 2 beginning set. Okay, so they're all together 5 sets. So here we go. I'm going to go right into today's work, and if you like it, you can start going back a little bit, finding the foundation, and for you to build up to here. Okay, so always watching once, get some idea, and watch many times so you can follow, right? That's the beauty about video with the YouTube, right? You can watch as many times as you want. Okay, so we are starting the perfect posture, which is, I call it the 5 checkpoint. You have your feet and leg, your thigh and the pelvis, and the first responder and the rib cage. So the placement of all that, the arm and scapula and your head. So those are all 5 things. So standing here, I'm going to, my front is always north, my back is south. So from here, I'm going to corner and corner. The part 1 of the fortified Qigong, we learn how to do bilaterally, both arm and both leg moving, right? So bilaterally, and we also reverse that movement and float up from the earth, get to the heaven energy comes down, right? The part 2, we learn how to use one arm, so unilateral, that will create a spiral of the spine. And you can also reverse the arm position. Now today, we're gonna lunge. We're gonna take to corner, and the back corner and back corner, okay? Don't get too nervous, you'll be fine, because practice makes it better. So listen once, say, oh my God. Listen twice, okay. Listen third time, I can probably start doing this with her. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna bend both my knee first. I'm gonna pull most of my weight, all my weight, to the right leg, so I can peel left off. I'm leading with the ankle, okay? So I'm pushing and lunging at the same time. So I'm going to the northwest corner. The back leg is straight, the diagonal back leg, and this one bend. So that's called kind of like side lunge, but diagonal. I bend this knee and bring that leg right back. Okay, you always lead with the ankle, the lateral ankle. So ready? I bend both knee, peel off, and going to the diagonal ankle and that diagonal corner of the room. So you bend your knee, now I'm going to go back. Okay, so ready? Pick it up. The one goes out is the bend one. So this one straight. I'm going to go back a little bit. The room is small, I have to adjust myself a bit. So I'm right here. You can see my head's turned a little bit profile. So that's lunging diagonal back. So when you bend your knee, you're going to pick up the back heel up so you can peel that leg off, come right back. Let's try this corner. So bend your knee, so get the leg ready. And you push and lunging back. The leg leaf is the one bending profile. Can you see I'm creating this beautiful one straight line? Total connect with the first responder. Bend the left leg, pivot the back leg a little bit, and then bring it right back and return. We are going adding the arm now, okay? So it's always opposition. So if I lunge in this leg, left leg, it's right arm, because that's how we walk, okay? So you ready? The first part, step back a little bit. Okay, so you ready? I'll bend my knee, this inhale. Slowly peel the left leg up, going forward. So I'm going to lunging. I'm going to hollow my tongue because we do the reverse downward breathing, scooping. So you're going to pick up bunch flower. You ready? Push back. You rotate your torso, the thoracic, all the way to the back corner. And you bend your knee, come down. Ready? And lunging, hollow tummy. Push up, all the way back. And you release, comes down. Again, lunging, inhale. Exhale, all the way back. And release, come down. So you're ready for the other side. Inhale, push up, rotate the body, exhale, release. We're going to do one more set. And then inhale, exhale, rotate, and come down to prepare the other side. And the inhale, hollow tummy, and coming up, rotate, and release, bend your knee, comes down. I'm just going to step forward a little bit so I have room to go back. Okay, so ready? So I just finished the front already. We're going back. Okay, so remember, the leg leaf is lunging. I turn my head profile. Can you see one straight line? Okay, create that. Here comes the challenge. I'm going to rotate my body, look up to the ceiling. And the back heels come up and lunging forward, transfer weight to that leg and bring right back. Stay bent. And I'm going out again. So the room's small, so I keep my heel lunging back. Then rotate the body to the ceiling. Rotate the back heel up. Transfer the weight to this leg and bring in. Again, 2 more sets. You have in, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Last set. Inhale, open the chest, pivot the back leg, comes in. Last time. Inhale, lunging, coming up, pivot the back leg. Exhale, and you unroll, come back up, nice and tall. That's it for today. So at the end screen, you will see me do that in my yard. It's getting cold, so it's harder to go outside to demonstrate. But I did it last year, so I will put that on the end screen. You will see from the part 1, part 2, and part 3 complete together. And gradually you travel with it. So fortify more and more and more, right? Curiosity and challenging the body is amazing. Let's know the body and get better and better. Okay, so that's today's work, and so happy to have you with me. Take good care, and my website is heightsofwellness.com, and there's other video we have in the studio too that you can see. And also my book has 18 QR code to linking into the video. which I have my videographer recorded in my studio. So those are 18 unpublished. So you're not going to be able to see it until you get the book. And so that kind of leads into the workshop starting next year that I hope to see you in person to learn better and better and better become lifetime practice. Okay? So thank you so much. Take good care.